Ikaw! 11 o'clock pa pull out mo. Eleven pa pull out mo. Wala, okay. Sige, ito. Ba't kasama yan? Grabe nga ba ng tulog ko, tumi yung mata ko ng mumunto.
Doesn't sound right. Hanggang lang yung hindi.
Ten hours ba yun? Hindi tama. Kagigising niya lang.
Opo.
Okay, wala pang breakfast. Okay, anyway, I'll vocalize you first, warm you up, and then take you one by one. So, pwede kayo mag-breakfast. Nga lang, ang hirap ng pagbusog. Pero, for now, sinong kulang? Sila Arnie?
Sila Arnie.
Okay. Okay, sige. Facial massage.
Sage.
Sage. Alright. Slowly calm down. Kinukulot mo naman habang hindi pwede. Counterproductive. Yan nga tawag doon. Sabi niya, hindi. Relax, relax. Easy lang, easy lang. Nagagawa natin to. Okay, slowly work downward. Gagawin natin ngayon, dahil dami niyong kakantahin, no? So, as much as possible, we work with the songs that you need to polish para that's not a problem. So, dami nang kailangan pang gawin kasi.
Kung Gila Night, yung sa ano po, yung dalawang kanta po namin.
Tigdalawa. So, kung meron mga issues or problems with it, fine, we can work it out. Okay, corners of your mouth, kung nandito na kayo. Hindi up and down, circular blue. Yan. Para talagang damay lahat. Mas maraming daliring nagagamit mas mabuti. Tapos talagang, get in there. Damutakin. Ready to down. Settle, stretch. Sige, baltakin nyo yun nandun na. Nararamdaman yung baltak. Slowly bring it up. Yun. Again. Settle over lower lip. Stretch. Slowly bring it up. Again. Slowly breathe. Okay, isa pa. Settle. Stretch. Slowly bring it up. Okay. Next. So, very good. Kailangan matandaan nyo na ito hanggang talaga nagawa nyo natutulog.